Hello, this is Greyo from Zamboanga City, and I'm gonna do a film called The Crazy Cousins. And this called The Crazy Cousins because they're so crazy. Crazy Cousin 2 is the most beautiful film ever created. Now we're gonna see The Crazy Cousins. Now the Crazy Cousins are here somewhere. We're gonna find them. Oh, may I remind you before we watch this movie, the kids here are so stupid, okay? Those are the Crazy Cousins. They're so crazy. Crazy Pilis, crazy Nat. Okay, crazy na sila duha, crazy.
Dili ko na yung mukha, Andy ko na yung
That is Felice, the craziest one, the smart one, the crazy one. Okay, then this is finished. Because they're so stupid, I can't resist. Bye-bye. See you later.